How to use tracking and delivery options in Outlook. So here I am using the classic version of Outlook, which is the Outlook for the Microsoft 365. So in here, what you can do is that you can add tracking and delivery options. And what those are is that you can know when an email is delivered, and then you can also know when an email is already read. So for example, if you use like messaging apps like Messenger or the message feature in iPhone, you might have noticed that when you send a message, you can see when the message is delivered. And then when that person actually reads your message, you can also see the time of when the person read that message. So here in Outlook, you can do the same thing. So if you want to include that delivery and tracking options in all of your emails, what you can do is that you can go to File, go to Options. From here, go to Mail, scroll down, then you should see Tracking right here. So you can see the information right here that says delivery and read receipts help provide confirmation that messages were successfully received. And then this only depends on if the person is using Outlook as well, because not all email servers and applications support sending receipts. So keep that in mind. But if you're using Outlook, you can use the feature right here. So for all messages sent, you can request to have a delivery receipt confirming that the message was delivered to the recipient's email server. You can also request a read receipt to confirm that the recipient has viewed the message. So this will apply to all of your message if you turn this on. And then you have options right here for any message received that includes a read receipt. You can request to always send a read receipt, or to never send a read receipt, or to ask each time whether to send a read receipt. So for example, you received an email, you can choose from the three options right here if you want to always send a read receipt, or to never send a read receipt, or to have a confirmation first. Next, you can also automatically process meeting requests and responses to meeting requests and polls, automatically update original sent item with received information, and then update tracking information, and then delete responses that don't contain comments. And then you also have this option right here: after updating tracking information, move receipt to deleted items. So if you want, so because when you receive the read receipt or like the delivery receipt, what happens is that it's being received as a separate email. So if you don't need that separate email, you can just go ahead and put it to deleted items right away if you want. And then once you have chosen your options, just click OK. And then if you want to have like the delivery and read receipt only for a single email, so you can actually just do it when you create an email. So for example, let's say I create a new email right here, and then let's say I send it to my other Outlook email, which is this one. Then we can put the subject right here as test, delivery, and tracking receipt, for example. So I'll just put right here test email to see the delivery and read receipts. So once you have your email, what you can do is that you can go to options, then you can see the options right here to request a delivery receipt, and then to request a read receipt. And then you can just go ahead and enable both of them so that this will be sent with the email. So let's say I send this. We will now have that email in our sent items. And then now when I open my inbox again, it should now have the receipt right here. So let me go back right here to send items. we can see that this is the email. And then for the inbox, we don't have the receipt for now. So let's say I open my other email right here, which is already logged in Outlook. Now you will see the test email right here. So you can see right here, it automatically opened this window right here that says the user, or which is my case, it is called How to Explainer. So this is the name that I set up right here. So requested a read receipt be sent when message test delivery and tracking is read. So they want to send a receipt, so we can just click OK so that the receipt will be sent to the original sender. So when I open my other email again, we should now receive the receipt right here for a little while. So we'll just wait for a bit until it appears right here in Outlook. So now the receipt has been received in my Outlook inbox. Then you can see the receipt right here that says the email was read on Thursday, April 16, 2026, and then with the time and the location right here. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can use delivery and tracking options in Outlook. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.